Hey everybody, hope you're doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a recent article I wrote on my website for my blog, basically discussing the topic of price reductions for home sellers. So now you've got a home that's been on the market for a while and you're not sure what kind of price change you need to make in order to get buyer interest. If it's been sitting for longer than normal, longer than the average days on market typical home has been sitting, that means that buyers aren't really interested. Maybe you haven't gotten any offers. Maybe the offers have come in a little low for your liking, but nothing accepted, still sitting on the market, so you need to figure out what to do. So here's a copy of the article. I will be sharing that in the comments below. Feel free to read the article if you prefer, or watch this video, which I also talk about what I discuss in this blog article. So especially in this day and time where our mortgage rates are much higher than they were in the recent past, we're looking at the 7% range, depending on your credit, depending on location, depending on how much you're borrowing, what type of mortgage. So what was normally a little cheaper in the past based on lower mortgage rates, say an equivalent price of a house from a couple of years ago to today. So that big jump in mortgage interest rates means the monthly payment has gone up. In addition, we've also got taxes that have gone up and homeowners insurance that have gone up. So especially a lot of current homeowners are seeing their payments go up, especially if they have escrow included in the monthly payment, so that payment goes up. So with that being said, if you've got a house on the market right now and you're trying to get buyers to come in, take a look, make an offer, but you're just not getting traction, you need to figure out initially first, is everything being done right? You got proper marketing, good photos, good video of the house, it's properly cleaned up, it's staged, repairs are made, you don't have any glaring issues. And also, most important of all, is having it properly priced. Now, in this current internet age, buyers have instant access to information at their fingertips from their phone, from a computer with the internet. They can compare homes next door, see the value, automatically know right away, okay, this home is overpriced or this home is a good value. So in terms of overpricing, maybe your home has some unique features, but if the neighborhood that home is in does not have an equivalent pricing for those features. So for example, a particular home is priced at $400,000. All the other homes are valued at $300,000. That home's going to take longer to sell because that $400,000 home doesn't have many other homes in and around itself, in and around its neighborhood, that will support the value. So when it comes time to reducing the price, that consideration needs to be made, especially in terms of how long it's been on the market. One needs to look at average days on market. Your real estate agent should have that information. You can usually look that information up, but that's basically the average amount of time a home stays on the market before getting an offer. So the longer it's on the market, the less likely you'll get buyers who are interested. For good reason or not, longer on the market, buyers usually associate that with something being wrong with the house. And then as time goes on, they have a tendency to want to avoid those homes. Like, it's been on the market for that long, I don't really want to bother with it. Who knows what's wrong? Even though the house may be in great condition, buyers still don't want to waste time on that. These days, buyers are very busy. They're going to look at different homes. So with those other homes that have been on the market longer, you're going to find a lot more bargain hunters who are thinking, hey, this has been on the market for a little while. Let me go take a look. If it's decent, maybe I'll put in a lowball offer. So we don't want that. We don't want the lowball offers. We want good, legitimate offers. So in terms of reducing your price, obviously, if you've been on the market for a whole lot of time, then a larger price reduction is going to need to be made in order to bring those buyers in. Now, the type of price reduction matters also on the price of your house. For example, a $10,000 price reduction on $1 million home is not really going to draw in many buyers. That's a very minor price reduction versus on a $200,000 home going from $200,000 to $190,000. It's a little more substantial in that price range. So you need to sit down and discuss with your real estate agent what price adjustment makes sense, and then also, does that work for you? If it's something that the numbers aren't making sense, there's still a mortgage to pay off, there's still other issues to consider, you don't want to sell for that amount of money. If it's a situation where you don't really want to sell, it might not be the right time. Taking your home off the market, trying at a later time when the market's conditions are a little different might be better. But if it's something you really need to sell, then definitely consider the price reductions in accordance with the price of the home. With the way our search engines are built for real estate, so basically we have these systems set up where they report every time that there's a price change. So I've seen in the past where the strategy is used that Rather than making big adjustments, we'll just do like $1,000 each week. So that way the home gets always at the top of the email list, it gets blasted out, because most email lists for homes, people want to see when new homes are listed and also when their price changes. Now when you do that strategy, say dropping just by a minor amount to keep that at the top of the search engines, keep it at the top of the email lists, you're more likely to turn off buyers in that situation because they quickly see through that this person is just dropping by a minor amount, so I don't know whether they're serious or not. I'm going to totally avoid that house. So it's better to do a 1 or 2 time proper price adjustment, get it adjusted where it should be. Hopefully the buyers come in, hopefully everything else is working in terms of your marketing and the staging of your house. Then the buyers will be ready to come in and make that offer. Ideally, you want to set the right price from the very get-go. So overpricing as a strategy is not a great strategy, doesn't work. Find out what the current price is, work with your agent. The agent should be able to provide you comparable sales, give you that price range that they think will fit properly for this home. And then the homeowner should use that for their guidance in terms of setting the price of the home. That way it's going out towards current buyers who are ready to purchase in that price range. They understand the market, they're ready to buy, and you're going to get the offers. If the market shifts while your home is listed for sale, always be ready and quick to move with price adjustments. The longer you take, the slower you are to move with those price adjustments, the harder it is going to be sell down the line. It's going to take a larger price adjustment down the line versus doing it earlier, quicker. You don't have to do as large a price adjustment. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit that like button so others can find it too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.